Hey guys! Avocados are not only one of the most delicious foods ever, but they're also really nourishing for the hair. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hydrating avocado hair mask. I've been using this mask throughout the colder months to help keep my hair healthy and prevent my ends from drying out, and I really love it. So if you want to see how I make it and try it out for yourself, then just keep watching the video. So for this hair mask, you will need 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of an oil of your choice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1/8 of a cup of coconut milk, or as much as you need to make it the consistency that you want. I'm using the canned variety, and whatever's left over, I just make some delicious chia seed pudding with it. Now just put all your ingredients into a blender and blend it up until it's smooth. You definitely want to use a blender as opposed to just smashing the avocado with a fork, or you could end up with some avocado chunks in your hair. So just blend it up until it's really smooth, just like your regular conditioner would be. And like always, customize this mask however you want. Sometimes I like to put a few essential oils in it. So right now I'm putting 7 drops of lavender and 4 drops of rosemary, but this is completely optional. Now you can go ahead and apply it to your hair and scalp. I like to focus it mainly on the ends because that's where I need the most hydration. And then I just leave that on my hair for about an hour. You can go clean some dishes, watch some YouTube videos, whatever you want. And once that hour's up, you can just shampoo and condition your hair as usual, and it should leave your hair feeling soft and hydrated. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and next time you have some ripe avocados you can't eat, just make a hair mask with them. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!